guys, it's Laura with TuxedoPlanners. How are you doing today? Today I'm bringing you a special video that I've been talking about and meaning to film for you guys, so I think I'm going to go on and do it. And it's what I have in my Delfonics utility bag in size medium, and this is the mustard color, and I'll have the link down below for it on Amazon. They have a small size and this medium. I'm trying to acclimate you guys. My iPad's acting up because I film on an iPad. The only reason it's this full is because I generally only take it out if I'm going out, if I got to take my kids somewhere and wait on them, or whatever the case may be. If I'm being Uber mom that day, you know, I'll take this with me and I'll do some planning in the car or whatever. But most of the time it sits near my desk, and I just grab it if I want to plan, so I have everything together, because I do have, my office is part of my bedroom, and I don't have a lot of room in here, and things are kind of scattered about. So I decided to try and keep everything together in one place. So that's why it really looks like this. I don't carry all this stuff all the time. But let's jump in and get started, okay? So the first thing I have here, as you can see, are some clips that I have. I have just these cute little tassel palms. These are from Cocoa Daisy and one of their kits. And there we go. And this is also from Cocoa Daisy here. And then I keep a little pouch of Crystal Light Fruit Punch. It's my favorite Crystal Light, and I just stick that down in there, so when I'm out, if I'm out, because it's important that I have my liquid in, I'll just grab a bottle of water if I forgot my liquid, and I have one of these in my little pouch to have for me. I've got some some pens here. This is a Mary Poppins pen that my son-in-law gave me, Mary Poppins Returns. These are two Happy Planner pens. This is a Live Creatively pen. Then I have a little paper clip here, and in this pocket I just keep some sticky notes here in my little pocket. This is my Donald Duck pen, and I can't remember Donald Duck clip. I can't remember where I got this little guy from. If I remember, I'll link him below. Then I have a rose gold paper clip here with a little dangle with some little stones in it. And this is from my shop, from TuxedoPlanners, link down below. And I just keep that on there as well. And I have a little paper clip to hold things together in case I need that. Then we come into my plethora of pens, and this is just a small portion of my pens that I keep. So I do have two Amazon permanent markers. Not sure why I have two. I'm going to take one out because I don't need two. I got an Amazon Perfect. I have a it's a calligraphy pen, Foodnesca. Well, it's a calligraphy pen. I think this is a Pentel, actually. Yeah, this is a Pentel foodie pen, I call it. And this is a Tombow Foodnesca. I can't pronounce it, but I think you guys know where I'm going for this. This is also a calligraphy pen. And another Tombow. This is a mono twin, and it's dual tipped, as you can see. So you have the finer tip down below, and then you have the harder tip up top. This is also a calligraphy pen. Then I have my Lamy Safari fountain pen, and the ink in here is a Lamy Safari pink ink, and I keep that in here as well, and I usually use this in my Hobonichi. Then I have a Sharpie pen, and I keep the Sharpies for when I use stickers that require a permanent marker. I use that. Then I have a Sarasa zebra clip in 0.5. Love this pen. Writes in this pretty burgundy color, the ink is. Then I have an Inkjoy, Papermate Inkjoy pen in purple. And I have multiple colors. I just switch out whatever the color. And then I have a Pigma Micron pen that I keep in there as well, also for my Hobonichi. Then we get in, let me do this back pocket on the side. On this back pocket, I keep some washi tape. Right now it's filled with Simply Gilded, but I switched that out, as you can see there. Take that out. I don't have anything in these two little pockets, but I do have more flair. I have a Happy Planner pen here, Choose Joy Every Day. And then I have a Mother's Day pen that my daughter and son-in-law gave me for Mother's Day, my Mulan pen. Then I have a little backpack pen I got from the Smoky Mountain Planner Land, and I think this one also came from Smoky Mountain Planner Land. This is another Happy Planner Flair pen. It says make time to do what excites you. And this is a Smoky Mountain Planner Land pen that we got at the meet. Now inside, I generally don't keep all of this stuff, like I said once before at the beginning of the video, but this is what I have. I generally carry a book of miscellaneous stickers. If this is my Coffee Monster Co. book that I use. If I would just want to put like some little stickers down, I keep a sticker book in there. Then I have a set of Erin Condren dual tip markers, and I switch these out. I have all of her markers and I just switch them out for whatever I feel like. This is my most recent pack here, but I keep these generally in there. The other thing I have is I have my Jane Davenport watercolor pens, my watercolors, and I'll show you these real quick. And these are used in my Hobonichi. This is my color palette. And these are the, what ones are these? I can't remember if these are the brights or the other things. They kind of jump around on me there. There, they just pop right in like so. I keep those in there. That's that one. Then these are, I think, the basic set here. And same thing. And I just did the little washi thing. Or this might be the metallic set, I think. And then I think this is more of the basic one here. Oh, this is the Glitz C palette. That goes down here, and this one goes. They do get jumbled up, but they just snap right back in. I love the Jane Davenport watercolors in the Hobonichi. I think they're beautiful colors, very nice, and so I bought every one of her sets. So if this is the Glitz palette, then this is the Brights palette, and let's see if it's got the name on this one, and this is the Neutral palette. So those are the three palettes that I have that I carry in there for when I use my Hobonichi. And I do carry a paint pen. Let me show you that. I do have a water brush pen that I use for my watercolor in my Hobonichi as well. So I've got that. Lay that aside. The next thing I have is one of my favorite items of all time that I own. And this is my HP Sprocket. And I just keep it in this little pouch. My little HP Sprocket. I absolutely adore this thing. Then it's got a little pocket here with that I keep the clip and some extra packs of paper in there. This goes everywhere with me because you never know when you want to snap in front of photos. So this stays in my bag all the time. The other thing I have is a ruler. Actually, I think I have two rulers that I keep in there. I've got my precision slice tool that I use for my washi, and this is linked down below as well. Guys, for the interruption, my phone was ringing. All right, so where was I? Okay, so this is my slice tool that I've got linked down below, and I use it for cutting the washi with. I just keep a pair of scissors. This is, of course, you guys all know this. This is my favorite tweezer tool to help me get those damn stickers straight. And then I have some glue sticks. And so let's see what else I got in my pockets. I've got some Tombow adhesive. I think this is also linked down below as well. Then I've got some of these Walmart whiteouts that, of course, you guys know my feelings on these things. I'll be so glad when they're gone. I can get me some real stuff. Then I keep my Washi Warrior washi cutter. Then I got off of Amazon these little packs of portable scissors that I also just pop in there and keep in there as well. Then I have my selection of Erin Condren gel pens. Now, these I put in there because I really didn't have another place for them. As you guys know, I think you've felt my feelings towards these things. I'm on the fence about them. I love them with the neons, but the other ones are meh. So I keep those in there as well. So I think that's everything that I have in my pouch that I keep. I do rotate some of this stuff out as needed on a regular basis. Oh, and I have a little, this is my Simon charm from Cocoa Daisy, and this is also a Cocoa Daisy charm that I got. And on this side, I have his little friend, his girlfriend Betty. She's on there as well. And this is just a keychain thing that my daughter gave me. It says creative details, so I just keep that on there as well. So let me put this stuff back in here real quick. But I hope you guys like this video. I've been meaning to do it. I know you see a lot of my planner, my this pouch when I do my plan with me's, because like I said, it stays pretty much in my on my desk. And put this back, and this is just stuff that I naturally grab. Now when I'm going out, I will go through and, you know, kind of do, but this guy holds a lot. I mean, look how much stuff this little pouch holds. I mean, it is amazing. You can just, you know, just about zip this thing up and okay, so maybe I have a lot in here. Those things are in there. Okay, guys, sorry about that. Why is it when you go to do something like plan or film, I mean, everybody and their brother starts freaking calling you? It's like some kind of ESP radioactive waves go out saying, oh, she's filming, call her and bug the shit out of her or whatever. I don't know, but why do they do that? Anyway, I'm sorry about that. So this pouch, like I was saying, does hold a lot. I highly recommend this thing. This thing is sturdy and it's not going anywhere. The strap is extra. I did get the strap. It took a little while longer to come in because I think it came in from somewhere out of the country. But this came in like 2 days. This took like 3 weeks or something. You don't need the pouch with a strap, and to be honest with you, I wish I hadn't got it because I don't use it, because I generally carry a bigger bag than this and just slip this into the bag. But I didn't know that at the time, so I went on and just bought the handle as well. That's why it's in this gray, because they don't make the mustard color with the handle. All right, guys, so that's everything in my Delfonics pouch. I hope you enjoyed that video and gives you some inspiration of what you can carry. But I love that Delfonics. You can't beat it. It's an awesome deal, and it holds tons of stuff. But with that, guys, I'm off. If you like my content, please think about hitting subscribe below, joining my family. I love you guys. Please leave some comments if you have a Delfonics and maybe what you carry in it, or if you're thinking of getting one, or whatever the case may be. Just leave it down below. I'd love to hear from you. And with that, I'm off. Bye, guys. See you later in the next one.